This vehicle had a hard life. 6 times it ended up in Sevis ship on a tow truck. Twice after delivery, it turned out to be in good working order, which was a sign of the presence of a random intermittent problem. On the 3rd visit, it was possible to record the fault codes of the BMS series. The actual data indicated a fault in module number 10. BMB board of this module was replaced. But RAV4EV was in good working order for about 2 weeks. The 4th time, it was repaired due to an imbalance of the battery cells. At another service station, subcontractor, balancing was performed, and there the technicians reinstalled the native BMB board, which they recognized as working. After another manifestation of the fault, the client decided to contact the former subcontractor. There, an unknown board was repaired, and this repair lasted for 1 month. And only during the next visit after another malfunction, it was found out that the cause of this random intermittent malfunction was a crack in one of the SMD resistors of the native BMB board. BMB board. After its elimination, this RAV4EV has been working properly for more than 6 months. Why 7 meters of wire with a cross-section of 9 millimeters copper were replaced twice is unknown.